The Golabs Truck Bed Tent is designed for an easy and quick setup, taking only 8 minutes to assemble, thanks to its unique pre-attached pole design. Constructed from high-quality 210 denier Oxford fabric with a waterproof coating, this tent ensures you stay dry and comfortable even during heavy rain. This tent fits most 5 to 6 foot pickup beds, making it a versatile choice for many truck models including F-150, Ram, Silverado, and others. With dimensions of 86.64 by 73.62 by 57.08 inches, it provides ample space for 2 adults and excellent ventilation through its mesh windows. The truck tent includes convenient features like interior storage pockets and a hook for hanging lights, enhancing your camping experience by keeping your essentials organized. The tent is lightweight and portable, weighing only 18 pounds, and includes a storage bag for easy transport, making it ideal for spontaneous camping trips.